Plantinga's evolutionary argument against naturalism. Alvin Plantinga's evolutionary argument against naturalism, EAAN, is a philosophical argument that challenges the compatibility of naturalism and evolutionary theory. Naturalism is the view that there is no supernatural realm and that everything can be explained by natural processes and laws. Evolutionary theory, as understood in the context of this argument, is the naturalistic explanation of the development of life through natural selection and random mutation. Plantinga's argument posits that if both naturalism and evolutionary theory are true, it would undermine our trust in the reliability of human cognitive faculties, our ability to form true beliefs and knowledge, thus leading to a self-defeating position for the naturalist. The structure of the EAAN. The evolutionary argument against naturalism can be broken down into several key steps. The relationship between naturalism and evolution. Plantinga starts by noting that many naturalists accept evolutionary theory as the explanation for the development of human beings, including our cognitive faculties. Evolutionary theory suggests that our cognitive faculties developed primarily for survival and reproductive success, not necessarily for the formation of true beliefs. The probability thesis. Plantinga shows that if naturalism and evolution are true, the probability that our cognitive faculties are reliable, i.e., produce mostly true beliefs, is low or inscrutable. This is because evolution selects for behaviors that enhance survival, not necessarily for beliefs that are true. As long as a belief leads to survival-enhancing behavior, it doesn't matter if the belief is true or false. The defeater thesis. If someone believes in both naturalism and evolution and recognizes that the probability of their cognitive faculties being reliable is low or inscrutable, then they have a reason to doubt the reliability of their cognitive faculties. This leads to a self-defeating position because if one doubts the reliability of their cognitive faculties, they must also doubt the reliability of their belief in naturalism and evolution. Conclusion. Therefore, Plantinga shows that belief in both naturalism and evolution is irrational. If one accepts evolutionary theory, they should reject naturalism, or if they accept naturalism, they should reject the reliability of their cognitive faculties, thereby undermining their own beliefs, including their belief in naturalism. Making the case for EAAN. To better understand and make the case for Plantinga's argument, let's delve into each component in more detail. 1. Evolution and the development of cognitive faculties. Evolutionary theory posits that the primary function of our cognitive faculties is to promote survival and reproduction. From an evolutionary perspective, it does not matter whether the beliefs generated by these faculties are true, as long as they result in adaptive behavior. For example, if a person believes that eating a certain type of berry will give them superhuman strength, and this belief leads them to eat the berry, which happens to be nutritious, the belief is adaptive, even though it is false. Plantinga shows that this evolutionary process does not necessarily favor the development of true beliefs. While true beliefs might often lead to survival-enhancing behavior, there is no guarantee that this will always be the case. As a result, there is no reason to think that our cognitive faculties would have evolved to be generally reliable under naturalism and evolution. 2. The problem of probability. The crux of Plantinga's argument is the fact that the probability of our cognitive faculties being reliable, given naturalism and evolution, is low or inscrutable. This is because, under naturalism, there is no guiding force or purpose behind evolution that would ensure the reliability of our beliefs. Evolution is a blind process, and while it might produce reliable cognitive faculties in some cases, it could just as easily produce unreliable ones, as long as the resulting behavior enhances survival. For example, a belief system that is entirely false but consistently leads to survival-enhancing behavior could be selected for, even though it does not produce true beliefs. This creates a situation where, under naturalism, one has no reason to trust that their cognitive faculties are reliable, as there is no necessary connection between survival and truth. 3. The self-defeating nature of naturalism. Plantinga shows that if a naturalist accepts this low probability of reliable cognitive faculties, they must also accept that their belief in naturalism, and everything else, is likely unreliable. This leads to a self-defeating position because it undermines the very cognitive faculties that the naturalist relies on to form their belief in naturalism. In other words, if a naturalist believes that their cognitive faculties are unreliable, they cannot trust any of their beliefs, including the belief in naturalism itself. This creates a paradox. The naturalist's belief system, when combined with evolutionary theory, leads to a situation where they have no reason to trust their belief system. 4. Conclusion, a case for theism. Plantinga's argument is not merely a critique of naturalism but also serves as a defense of theism. He shows that theism provides a better explanation for the reliability of our cognitive faculties. Under theism, human beings are created by a rational God who has endowed us with reliable cognitive faculties designed to discover truth. This provides a solid foundation for trusting our cognitive faculties and the beliefs they produce. In contrast, naturalism lacks this foundation, leading to a self-defeating position where one cannot trust their own cognitive faculties. By highlighting this problem, Plantinga's EAAN challenges the coherence of naturalism and provides a compelling reason to consider theism as a more rational alternative. Conclusion: the strength of Plantinga's EAAN. Alvin Plantinga's evolutionary argument against naturalism presents a powerful challenge to the coherence of naturalism when combined with evolutionary theory. By questioning the reliability of human cognitive faculties under naturalism, Plantinga exposes a fundamental problem for naturalists. The belief in naturalism and evolution leads to a self-defeating position where one must doubt the very cognitive faculties that form the basis of all belief. Plantinga's argument not only undermines naturalism but also strengthens the case for theism, offering a more coherent explanation for the reliability of our cognitive faculties. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and comment below if you agree, or would like to add your thoughts.